Hey, it's another episode again of my vlog. So it's another Monday night barbecue with Chef RJ and Auntie. Auntie is over here. So soon gonna be in this video too. She's smiling right now. Look at this. Hey, yeah. So this is gonna be tonight. It's another Monday barbecue. Again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my IG, Naked Mixology. And then I'm at the Wyndham Rip Resort. So yeah, right now. The Tuesday is the seafoods night, every Tuesday. I know in the future I think there's more is coming up. So now I can say it right now because I know. So I'm gonna give you a tour right now for the Monday night barbecue. Oh yeah, first guest that we have. So we have salad down here. Again. Lovely salad. Then RG. Over here. And these are rice and beans down here. And the oxtail. There's the oxtail. And then there's the fish. A Cayman rundown fish. And then the escabich. There's the escabich. There's the grill down there. And there's the...
Hey, what's up, Tony?
Hey! And there's the jerk chicken barbecue. There's pork ribs down here. So it's barbecue. And there's the cassava cake over here. Yeah, man.
What's up, guys? What's up? Just following Black Tony.
And there's the brick pudding. It's really nice, really good. The best pudding in the island. Yeah.
This is no game to play, regardless of what they say. Just give me just every minute.
All right, guys. Hey. There's one guy from Guyana. He's here. Why you are running? Why? Beach down there. Hey, welcome to the Wyndham. Hey, welcome to the Wyndham. All right, enjoy, guys. Good. Guys, it's closed right now. And well, once again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my IG, and then my Facebook page also. Please, here again, share to your friends, to everybody. So, yeah, and have fun watching. And thank you for watching also to my YouTube channel. And I give you this view right now. I'm upstairs actually. I'm on the second floor right now. There's the view of there's the beauty of the Wyndham Resort. All right, have a good night, guys. I see you next time.